Well, here we are back out on Meadow Lake. Don't ask me why. We're set up in the same swim. We both feel it's the right choice. Completely different weather conditions. Pressure changing, bit of wind and rain, all sorts. And last September, when there's conditions like that, it absolutely rocked its socks off. So, we had a long chat about it earlier. And just, there's 2 other swims gone. You know, there's a completely different area where we don't believe there are any fish. Or we stick it out here and have another go. We've swapped sides because Ian's bombing out on the right hand or left hand side at the moment. But wow, what can we do? We just gotta go with your gut, give it a good old feeling and give it a good old go, and hopefully catch something. Just have to see, really. Well, there's the morning update. No fish, no takes, no drop fish for either Ian and I. I've just finished baiting up. Ian's just taking over and doing a bit of baiting up himself now. Ian's sticking to the same spots. I've sort of refined one of my spots. So my left-hand rod is now out into a nice area I found on the deeper. I've been drifting the deeper around quite a lot. With the wind, the way it's blowing, it's quite handy and useful to actually do that. Sort of just flick it out, let it drift around in the wind, and it came across this absolutely fantastic spot. It's very hot out here today, as you can see. I've got the air vents and everything open. But no, it's quite an interesting spot, so I've baited up near that. Chucked a wafter out there. It'll pop up on top. Done the same with the other rod. It's gone exactly the same place. I've topped the swim up and everything. Put a bag out there this time. I'm going to see how we get on. Anyway, I'll try and give you an update this evening. Should have a lovely sunset. The weather's changing over tonight and tomorrow. A bit of wet and windy weather coming in for the next 24 hours. So, fingers crossed it'll turn the fish on. I'll let you know. Yeah, what we've done is this week we've swapped over sides. So Ian's on the left side of the swim, I'm on the right side of the swim. There's so much water out here. You could probably fish 4 rods each and not actually get anywhere near each other. I reckon we're about, his closest rod to me, my closest rod to him is probably about 100 yards apart. I think a lovely sunset this evening, aren't we? Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. You couldn't ask for more, could you? Wonderful time of year, autumn, and the lights and colours and things you get. Just have to see. My rods are all on the skew with, but who cares about that, really? Just have to see how we do. Anyway, I shall catch up with you tomorrow for an update. See how well we've done. Well, Sunday morning now. Lots of heavy rain in the night. No fish. But to be honest with you, I've never caught any fish out of here. It's been that heavy rain. So I just think the fish really don't like it. They love the wind. They just do not like that heavy rain. So, black carp at the moment. I think the forecast is the wind's supposed to pick up as the day progresses. I'm going to get a few more showers and things, but light showers is not a problem. It's that real heavy stuff they just do not like. Just to be fair, I don't particularly like either when I've got to stand out in it playing a fish, so it's quite helpful really, I suppose. So very peaceful and everything at the moment. It's about 6:30 in the morning. A fair bit of sleep. I think we're due a few more sort of showers through the day and into tomorrow. So what I'm hoping is that some sort of the fish will start feeding through this morning, because there's no sunshine or anything forecast, so, and we'll hopefully catch a few. But it's not fishing like it used to fish. It's definitely not fishing like it was last year. Hard work this game at the moment. We shall see. Anyway, I'll give you a few more updates as time goes on.
Yeah, big one.
Bury itself on the silkweed down there. first one of the trip. Catless boilie with a pink pepper squid over the top, snowman style, and yeah, just over the £30 mark. That will do me. A new spot I found, so quite happy with that result. Well, it's the last morning of our social. As you can see, the mists on the water, the sun's coming up, it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Ian's rod has stayed silent. One on the right. Distance rod got done by a trailing carp or something last night. A big pile of braiding, so we had to recast it. An awful shame. And a few knocks on the right hand one. Got liners and things, but nothing's transpired at all. Other than that, it's been pretty silent. The temperature changed last night, and yeah, all fairly quiet really. It's been a hard few days, I think. Very hard few days on here. Unless you're in the swims, it just doesn't appear to be fishing, and even some of them are sort of struggling. So it's not all as you seem. And maybe this will, like the Indian summer that we've had, affect it a little bit. I don't know. Or just, I don't know, I've got a few things in my head. A little bit of thought into it, see what we can come up with and what's the solution. I don't know. I think my main one is there's just 2 swims that have been fished all year long, more or less constantly. A constant pile of bait going in, and the fish just appear to be living in that area. There's a lot of water out there. It is only accessible by 2 swims. It could be as simple as that. There's another area where there's a sanctuary which is sort of opposite me. You can't quite get to, and to sort of like the right. Also, they can just drifted and hidden in there, and no one can get a bait in there. So there's a few sort of issues out there. But it's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely stunning morning. Can't ask for anything nicer. Right. Well, we've got a few hours left, but I have a feeling it's, don't know. You never know, dear. Fingers crossed, really. Well, it's starting to pack up now. A few rain showers this morning, then a few fish, would you believe? But nothing seems to be interested in feeding or picking up our baits. I'm hoping that lot doesn't descend on me in a minute. But yeah, looking very pleasant out there, looking very carpy. Just need to get the carpies thinking the same thing. Don't we really? That's what we're missing. The fish thinking it's feeding time, it's perfect conditions. At the moment, I'm just not interested. Anyway, thank you for watching. Catch up with you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. If you're out there, do better than me. Catch a lump. And see you in the next episode.